Hey guys, today we're going to learn how metals are extracted from the metal ore. There are many methods of extraction which depends on their reactivity, and the reactive metals are combined with other substances in metal ores. We're going to learn how to separate aluminium, iron, and zinc. Aluminium. Aluminium is the most abundant metal in the world, and it is very expensive because there's a great amount of electricity that is involved in the extraction. Aluminium ore is called bauxite, which is purified to molten aluminium oxide. The process by where aluminium can be extracted from the aluminium oxide is called electrolysis, where molten aluminium is produced at the cathode and sinks to the bottom. Oxygen is formed at the anode, and it reacts with graphite to form carbon dioxide. This can be shown in a formula where as we can see in the screen, aluminium oxide produces aluminium plus oxygen, and carbon plus oxygen produces carbon dioxide. Some properties of iron is that it has high melting point, high density, it's magnetic, it corrodes easily, it's malleable, it's shiny, it's strong, it's ductile, and it's react with acids. In order to iron to be extracted from iron ore, we have to use a huge container called a blast furnace. Iron ore contains iron 3 oxide. The oxygen must be removed from the iron 3 oxide in order to leave the iron behind. Reactions in which oxygen is removed are called reduction reactions. Carbon is more reactive than iron, so it displaces it, leaving carbon dioxide. Put this in a formula where the iron oxide and the carbon monoxide leaves iron plus carbon dioxide. The ore of zinc is called zincglass, and it is made of zinc sulfide. It is obtained by sulfide converting it into zinc oxide, and then reducing it using coke, which is carbon which it burns to produce heat. Zinc sulfide from zincglass is concentrated by a process called froth flotation, where the ore is crushed and put into tanks of water. Zinc sulfide gets heated very strongly in a furnace, and it has a very similar process of extraction to iron. The process can be shown in a formula where the zinc sulfide plus the oxygen produces zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. So that zinc oxide plus the carbon is separated, where the zinc and carbon monoxide are produced. So that's it guys, it wasn't that bad, right? But just to be sure, let's make an overall review of everything that we learned today. Metal ore is a rock containing a metal in a high concentration to make it economic to extract that metal. Aluminium ore is called bauxite, iron ore, and zinc ore is called blende. There are many methods where we can extract metals. One is electrolysis, that is used for aluminium. Chemical reduction and reduction of carbon or carbon monoxide are also useful ways of extraction. The method used to extract metals from the ore in which they are found depends on their reactivity. Reactive metals are commonly extracted by electrolysis, and less reactive metals are extracted by reduction, where oxygen is removed. It is important to note that gold does not have to be separated, as it is very unreactive. Thank you very much for watching this video, hope you enjoy it, and see you soon!